Welcome to the Sneaker Teacher channel. Today we're going to be going over angles formed by parallel lines. So in our diagram here, we're given that the two lines are parallel and our goal is to solve for x. So when our lines are parallel, I want to look at what angles I'm given so I can figure out what's their relationship. In this case, these two angles are corresponding angles. They're in the same position of that intersection. Corresponding angles are going to always be congruent if our lines are parallel. Congruent means that we can set those two angles equal to each other. So -3 plus 19x equals 17x plus 11. And since our goal is to solve for x, I'm going to go ahead and do that. So using inverse operations, I'm going to combine my x's by subtracting 17x on both sides. We're left with -3 plus 2x equals 11. Add 3 to both sides. We're left with 2x equals 14 and divide by 2. And that gets us x equals 7. So looking at parallel lines, look at the angle relationship and set up your equation.
And I'm your sneaker teacher. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you've got questions or want another problem. Don't forget to subscribe, keep your kicks fresh, and stay irrational.